Hi, I'm Mark Bauer with Bauer Small Engine Repair. I'm going to show you how to change an air filter on a Briggs Quantum. That's the most popular engine used today in lawn equipment. This screw has a slot in it for a screwdriver, or you can use a 5/16 socket, or I like to use a nut driver. It has a 5/16 head on it, and basically you just unscrew the top screw, and then it folds outward. There's tabs on the bottom. These tabs fit into the slots on the air filter base. This air filter obviously needs to be changed. The dirt is deeply embedded into those pleats, so trying to clean that would not be a good idea. It'd just be better off to replace it. When you do change the air filter, you want to clean this dirt out from around there, because the rubber on this filter has to seal up on this air filter base. You want this to all be clean in here, because if it's not, the engine will suck the dirt into the engine. Same way with this, the cover, I like to just clean it out on the inside. It doesn't have to be spotless, because the air's got to come through here and go through the filter before it gets to the engine. So if you leave a couple bits of dirt in here, it's not going to kill it. It's not going to be ingested into the engine. In the filter, you want the rubber facing inward and the element facing towards the cover. So you simply put it in there like that. Make sure that you get those 3 tabs into those slots. Put it in like that, and then pivot it up, then tighten down the screw. You don't want to over-tighten that screw. That's how you change a lawnmower air filter.